Hello everyone, I am Gajanan Namdev Savali. Today's date is 21st December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is what is exception handling in Java. In today's video session, we can discuss about the what is exception handling, what is exception, the different type of exception in Java, the keyword used in exception handling, and what is the blocks used in exception handling, and how should it work. So let's start the what is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is the powerful mechanism that can be uh, handle the runtime error or exception and at the runtime and can be maintain the flow of program regularly. So what is the exception in Java? Exception means it has a abnormal condition and unwanted events and condition uh, that can be restrict the flow of our program, and so our program can be terminated. So use of exception handling, we can be handle the this error and exception at the runtime or compile time, and uh, can be maintain the our program flow. For example, the exception example is IO exception, arithmetic exception, class not found exception, etc. So let's see what is advantages of exception handling. In our program, there is many types exception can be occurred during the programming. So this can be handled or can be maintained the flow of program by using the exception handling in Java. So let's see the what is different types of exception handling in Java. First one is a checked exception handling. The checked exception handling means class can be inherits the class, and that except there is exception can be produced. So this is the checked exception handling. Checked exception. Checked exception means that can be checked at the compile time. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, and file input output exception, etc. Let's see the what is unchecked exception handling. Unchecked exception means that can be produced at a runtime. This cannot be checked at the compile time or cannot be produced at a compile time. So this is called as a runtime as well as unchecked exception in Java. The unchecked exception example is arithmetic exception, array index not found exception, and string index out of bound exception. So let's see what is the error in Java. Errors means it is recoverable. It cannot be recoverable or cannot be handled in Java. So let's see different keywords used in exception handling. First one is try keyword. The try keyword is the block in which the exception or a risky code can be put or available. The try block cannot be alone. In which the it can be with the either final block, either cache block. Let's see what is cache block. Cache block can be used for the handle the exception. Third one is a final block. Final block, in which final block there is the some important program can be present, like close the connection of file or objects or variables. It can be not depends on either the exception handle or not handled. Another is a throws keyword. Throws keywords are represent there is exception is produced or accepted. So Let's see the what is different block used in exception handling. First one is a try catch block. Try catch block, in try blocks there is present or consists of the risky code, and in a catch block can be it can be used for the exception handling. The operation of try class block, firstly JVM check there is exception if handle or not handle. If not handle, there it can be provide the default handler and can be perform next task. First one is check the what is exception. Second one is stack error, stack stress can be developed, and after that it can be show the error on console. Either or there is exception handling is present, then can be handled and maintain the rest of the code flow. For example, you can take a 10 statement in which statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 up to the statement 10, in which the statement 5 is there is exception. For example, there in which the divided by 0. The rest of code not perform or not perform a task, but using exception handling we can perform the or rest of code can be executed. So this is all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.